Okay, 2007 Nitro drivers. So Nitro, your car won't start because of something. So I'm just going to demonstrate using this key to try and start my car. Now, taking a risk and showing people this because this key does not work. And as you can see, it's got this blinking light. So no matter how long I leave this key in here, the blinking light keeps going. So that means the key is not synchronized with the security system. So I had to discover this with my mechanic. Okay, so I'm taking that key out and I'm putting this key in, which is another duplicate that came with the car that I bought used. So now, instead of starting the car right away, as you can see, the little red light is not blinking, but however, that light just went out. So now I can start the car. So my mechanic told me I need to get a new key fob program for that other key, and my airbag light is on, so I'm buying some kind of spring, and the horn doesn't work. So apparently I'm supposed to get a spring and spring coil, something that you take the airbag out, and then that's supposed to alleviate the airbag and the horn issue. So we'll see. Stay tuned. Let me see, what am I going to call this? The saga continues with the Nitro. Alright. Peace. I hope this helps somebody, because I swear my car was not starting for forever. And I was like, I got to get rid of it. I can't afford it. And I was reading threads about what people had to do and how much money and some tcpm and some etc. so forth. Anyway, stay up. Blessings up. Easy. Drive safe. Don't rush to the red light, people. Stop rushing to the red light. I hate when people do that.